Now, getting into the career segment of the interview, can you tell us about what your journey as a chef has been like?
As a chef. Okay. So I went to school in New York. Well, actually, no, started in high school. I think my 10th grade year, I had a food and nutrition class. And then my junior year, I was in the culinary program. And then I competed in a careers through culinary arts program. And that's basically a competition. It's basically a skills competition. And then they give you a full scholarship to college. Because I was a junior, I couldn't compete for the senior competition. But as a senior, I competed and I won a full ride to Monroe College in New York. So they pay for my tuition. I just basically paid for my housing and meal plans and stuff. So I went to New York, studied for three years, graduated a year early. Went to Italy, came back. I graduated in 2016 and moved back to Maryland. And then from there, I started working at the Gaylord. And I'm not sure if you're familiar with the Gaylord, but that's the biggest hotel on the East Coast that's non-gaming. So we make a lot of money with conventions compared to the MGM that has a casino, and they make monies with that. So that's a very good thing to have on my resume. And then recently, I just got a promotion at my job. So I've been there for 3 years, and I finally got a promotion. I went from a cook two to a cook three. So that comes with more experience, more opportunities. Super excited for that. And I started that job on Saturday, which is the first. So super excited. Being at my job, it inspired me to have my own catering company. I don't know why. I always wanted to have my own restaurant, but I started my own catering company and I started doing vendor events, pop-up events, and it's just been amazing because I get to network, I get to meet people, I get to help people. It's just amazing. Like meeting people around my area it's been amazing because I meet people on Instagram. And a lot of people I bring around, my friends ask me, how do you know them? Where did you meet them from? I met them on Instagram. And that's the most amazing thing in the world because how do you meet people on Instagram? And then you become really close friends with them. And then they support your business. You support their business. You guys just grow. It's been amazing from there. So that's how my career is now. It's been trials and tribulations, but now in 2020, I see nothing but positive, happiness, growth, everything.